Hello, welcome guys. We weekly forecast, and this week we first of all risk warning, and forex is a leverage trading, so always trading is a leverage, always risky. So be careful about forex trading. Those who are new, first of all, please subscribe our channel and click on bell button for further update. Well, this week lesson, remember always trade according to your trading plan. Do not trade without plan. So you first have to set up a trading plan, and trading plan depend on what types of forex trader and what's the equity you have. Like scalper open and close positions within second or minutes. And a scalper use a time frame of 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. A day trader, if you are a day trader, open and close position on a single trading day, time frame M15, H1, and H4 they used. And swing traders, open and hold trades between 2 days or several weeks, and time frame used H1, H4 daily. Which I use to swing traders, and I am also a swing traders. And position traders hold trade for months, sometime years, time frame H4 daily, weekly, monthly. Basically they are used, position traders are the manage the hedge fund, and they use and daily, weekly, and monthly charts for hedging the fund, and for position they purchase the position and sold out and take their position sometimes in years. Okay guys, this week also we are following pair. We will also discuss crude, gold, EURUSD, GBPUSD, EURJPY, GBPJPY, EURJPY, USD cast, US 500, and others. And remember, this is technical and fundamental analysis. It might be changed during the week, so do not set your mind that is going for buy and sell. Well, let's see our first pair, crude. Well, crude is quite uncertain and sideways market. You can see this sideways market, and there is a lot of talks about Saudi and China, and they are arranging a deal, and so many production cuts and other. So, and fundamentally, it will go down, but as technically we can see that if it cross my ping bar, then we can sell it. Otherwise, we can buy it, and do not sell uh, crude at present, because any production cut it goes, and sale is not safe there. So whenever it fall down, then you can buy from there. So wait for correction, or putting down and going down, then you can buy from there. Well, our next pair is gold and the future of gold. I draw the future, and this the channel, the green line. You can see the blue line I drew, and it enter in my channel. So it most probably, and this I find this channel. So next move maybe around 1840 or 1860 or 1880. So this is the channel you can buy or sell. I give you the line of strong sell zone, medium sell zone, low sell zone, and low buy zone, medium buy zone, and strong buy zone. And it's a sideways market, ranging the market around 1813 to 1795. So there is buy and sell is not safe there, because it's a ranging and sideways market. So wait for break 1820 or a 90, then 1890 or 20, that it will cross around 1850 or 1880. Or if it fall towards 1780 or 86, 1764, then you can buy from there. But the market is bullish. Let's try to bull. Well, GBPUSD is if you long chart in 4 hours, that it's quite sideways market. Sometimes it's going down and ups before it falling and come from 1.14 to, then it's the, look at that. So, and what's the next? When you question us, well, currently market in 4 hour chart we can see a bullish market. So do not sell before it's crossing 125, 1.25, and otherwise it's a buy zone. So follow the chart that you can see there. It's a clear, you can see the buyer push here, a fall, and then again buyer a push. So wait for market correction and some fundamental and market reaction against GBP. So market we throw out with a indecision. Well, Euro USD, it's a clear seeing that it's a bullish market. I draw this channel and it goes over, and we can see this. So I need a correction there, and this might say this. Okay. It's a bullish trend. So despite of a double top, so maybe have give some correction. Well, wait for sell towards 115 or 114, 700 or 800, then it will fall big around this level. So currently it's a bullish mode. So wait for market open and give a correction, then we can make a decision for buy or sell. Well, GBP JPY also seen a bullish movement, but I find a bearish movement because look at the tops, and it do not cross that level. Even that level do not cross. So despite some, and I have an idea that maybe it touch again 135 or 36, then it will pull down again this level. So we'll take a short position again there before it goes there. So wait for our long position there. So we take a sell position again from there. So if it cross the pink bar, we can buy till 136, then we can sell from there again. GBP New Zealand, and you can see this falling, continuous falling. This, in spite of reverse the market, it is falling and falling. So GBP New Zealand, our target, if this resistance support works, then we can find a big buy from there. And my initial thought, if it cross this red level, it might goes this level again, 1.90, then you can buy big from there. And maybe it's some correction and falling trend, so wait for big buy after. this line crossed. Well, after crossing this line you can buy big from there. So we will go for only buy setup, do not sell it. Well, CAD JPY is, you can see this sideways market go around few months, maybe last 2 or 3 months. I can see this sideways market and it's going up and down and up and down. So at present market falling to the trend, so you can again buy from there because Canadian dollar is strong, so we can buy with a minimum stop loss from there. So wait for market fall to this level, then again you can buy from there. Well, EURJPY and it going, and I draw this level and it cross, then we buy from there, and it's a day one. So what's the next? Well, I will wait for sell till this level, so quite minimize that, and I will go for a short around when this stop will come to again with a minimum reach to this level again. So if I draw this level, also this level. So guys, wait to move market around this level, then we can sell from 123 at 119. So Euro JPB we will not focus on buy, we focus on sell. After reaching that level we will sell from there. EUROCAD, and you can see this my buy signal from there, and it continues go for buy. It's also a EUROCAD, also a sideways market, you can see in 4-hour chart. So it crossed my bar and we can buy there and formatting a double top. So once it's a sideways market and ranging, so we will find this level again. So we might prepare for sell level this time, but market is quite bullish. After crossing my this ping bar you can sell, otherwise do not entry for sell, otherwise buy from there. We make a short position, but it's quite far away from this level, so wait for this level for selling. We will keep waiting for sell level from there with a minimum stop loss. So guys, EUROCAD, do not go for sell until crossing the ping bar. If it cross the ping bar, then you can know your stop loss around 15536 level. Then you can sell and sell weak from there with a taking of stop loss. Well, Eurojar, it's look at the descending channel, it's falling with this level, it's also. So we'll keep update our and keeping our sell signal valid till it crossing my red bar, and going forward to again to 1979. So guys, it's a very simple decision. If it cross my ascending yourself, because you know your stop loss around here and there, because you find this channel I have drawn down for you, so you can make easily decision for buy yourself. Well, AUD Australian dollar versus Japanese yen. Well, the market goes sideways and here is a fall, then again going up again. Look at this pullback again. So here is now market have no move. AUD is going quite a sideways. So it's a sideways market, and we do not, and because of AUD, Australian dollar is gaining its power. So maybe we can see a buy breakout from there, and from this level, going for this level. So we may must predict what we predict. We predict a short from there, and what I will do, I will draw for you, and I can see this ABCD pattern there. So we will take our buy decision to this level. Okay, so this level. So it's a quite simple decision, guys. You can see this. Yes, JPY is also have loses strength because of business war against USA, and the hiding of, and US claim the hiding about the COVID uh, death in China. So they have a business war. So it might goes this level. New Zealand USD formation at top, and buyers trying to push, and buyer want to break this 65.65 level to 66 level. And you can see this my channel is a long channel from there. So what we can do next? Well, we do next nothing, just watch the market, because market is sideways here. So keep it and keep watching. And my suggestion, it's a free, uh, open a myfx book account and copy my chart and subscribe my chart. When I upgrade my chart, you can find a auto notification that chart, then you can make your decision for buy or sell, because you know I every chart I like, do I write down the in every chart that do not buy signal, just follow the chart, because why you leaving to others, just keep following the chart, take my opinion also, put in your opinion in this chart, then you can make your decision for buy yourself. Always do not follow my chart blindly, put your decision also there. GBP AUD, well, we can see this GBP AUD, and very closely, because I will buy it, and it needs to another fall, and when it cross this bar I will buy again. So my bet on GBP AUD, because AUD is gaining. So my next target is GBP AUD buy, and buy big, because GBP is weakening and AUD is going too fast. So maybe we will get 3 or 400 pips GBPUD in buy setup. So note down guys on GBPUD in my bed. Well, I have some network problem maybe. The chart is gone. Well, it's a US 500 and it is the same way we can see as New Zealand USD is try to beat this up level, and as like New Zealand USD, and this is US 500. May I think it's a buy trap for buyers. May it fall around again 30 level, and it's giving you the buy trap because all the position will take in when the buy setup, then market goes for sell setup, and market when try to fall big they will give. Look at that. Same way, you can closely look guys, market going that up and trying to beat this level, again fall, then trying to this level and try and fall big. Look at that fall big. So hereby again you can see this level again, market trying to again try to beat this level and again fall big. So in my decision it is also a buy trap. Do not buy US 500. It's a buy trap. So may it fall again. Well, US Wall Street 30 and US 30. You can see this level to buy or sell. Now we are gaining always on this pair, and my prediction is next just keep this level, and I see a clear rejection. May it fall very weak. So do not set your mind for a sell, because look at that, when market is going bullish it's a very ranging, but uh, here I see the bull losing his power and more, and too much sell rejection there. Look at this weeks, so it might fall. And also maybe also you give a sell trap. So wait for ping bar and around 26,500 to beat this level, then we can make a sell decision big. Well, we last discuss New Zealand CHF, and you can see this. I draw this ascending channel and it broke down this channel, descending with descending channel, and it's broke down this level, and market I see a bearish market and CHF. So we can sell from with a stop loss, the minimum stop loss, to put a sell stop there, and you can sell from there against this level. So with this target, so New Zealand CHF we will sell from there guys, with a minimum stop loss when market open. Guys, thank you for watching my weekly forex forecast, and remember, this is my weekly forex forecast. Do not go with me. Open a account in my FX book and copy my chart, subscribe my chart, and put your decision and analysis also in this chart. Then make a